Oh, I think we got a shipment. We got a shipment with the ship. Oh, let's bring the box. Let's see what it is. Откъде е пришла та поширка, София?
From America.
Oh, super. No, ti kar povej vse, povej prvo, kar si naročila, povej. Pa povej, kaj se je zgodilo, da si mogla to naročiti.
So it like this. This part's broke, the top.
Okay.
Now
And you ordered it where?
we ordered it from America.
From which phone? From which application?
Amazon.
Amazon, yes.
And then we will show you what did we get.
Okay.
Ready?
No, povej za vsak del, zakaj se uporablja.
So this one I can show you. You put it on the cup so you can like hold it.
Kako se imenuje ta del? Cup bag.
Stanley bag strap.
Okay. Stanley backstrap. Okay, show me how you can carry. Can you walk a little bit so that I see? It fits you, right?
But we can make it bigger or smaller.
I think now it's just about right.
Yeah. And if it falls down on this, it will not break because here.
It's protected, huh?
Yeah.
I think this is for school and the school trips and stuff like that.
I know you really like this.
This is super nice.
This is the extra top.
Okay.
And this one, it's clear.
Now you will not worry if it will break, right?
But look, it's clear.
Super nice. It's better actually because you can see inside, you know?
Yeah, and you can see if there's more water. There's your favorites.
This is called what?
Food bowl.
Okay, but you need to show us how you use this.
So this part is because of this, and then you just put it on top.
Okay, put it on. I think you need to do it without that holder. And later we can try some snacks today. Oh my goodness. Show me. This is the best.
You can drink and eat snacks.
Super nice. You know, if you go to like football game or like a concert,
You can bring this.
yes,
You can eat.
or to the beach
Yeah.
or by the pool here.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Okay, next.
My favorite. I'll have this for school.
What's the name of this cup?
Stanley.
Or does it have any other name?
No, I don't know if it does. Well, I can name it.
Okay, what you will give me? You have now a collection,
2 Stanley cups.
but I thought they are the same color. They are not.
This one's white and that. It's in a bag.
What is this? A collection?
A think these are the colorful straws and the normal straws.
Okay, how many you have?
Why did they put a hair tie? How tight did they do this? Pink straw. It looks so nice, right?
Super nice.
I'm just gonna pick it. Okay, this is the other clear straw. I like the clear one so much. And look how tall. Ah, the straw is jumping. Yeah. Ah. These are the stuff to clean the straw. Look, I'll show you. So, you have this, and this is the straw. Pretend it's dirty. And you put this in. And you can clean it.
Nice. You need to clean it with water, right?
Huh?
With water, right?
Yeah. But still, sometimes, you know, you need to still clean it if there's water. You can put anything in it, the cup. But for school, I will have water. There are 3 of them.
Oh, nice.
And I'll show you the other colors. I will not get it. I'll show you them. And we put them all inside. And then I'll just show you the others. Again, with a hair tie.
No puoi nam kapa ito.
No, I just don't know. I can't see it. But I think this is, yes, it is. It's to stop the water to come out. So look, if I accidentally, I was running, and I put this upside down, no water will come out. I don't need to use these because I have a whole box. But I need to use these. These parts. We have to see a tutorial how to put them in. Okay?
Okay.
After the video.
That's it. How many?
No, we have more.
Oh, we have more. Okay, show us.
So, look.
Oh my goodness, these are nice colors. Tell us, what is this in the box?
So it's the same as this,
Which
but
one?
they're stunning.
Which one is your favorite?
I think my favorite has to be the white one. Because I can just...
Как инженер куфет с праздным.
Ja, visst.
And this, I
Ce ti
got,
umie sprazny?
Daddy, I got an extra this part.
Oh, super nice.
Okay.
Okay, now tell us which will be your favorite cup.
I'm gonna go for. I would normally use this one because for school. So this.
Okay.
It's a bit pink on the top, but then it's like white. And look, I will show you something. I saw this. That if you open it, there's a straw.
Kasi ribka zgubila. Ribka si zgubila.
It's a straw. And you can replace the straw. You can also just drink from the straw like this.
Super nice.
Or you keep it in the hole. But my favorite thing will actually be this.
Okay. Okay, show us.
So I wanted to do something very funny. To put this. Hey, it fits.
It fits.
Hey, I can also use this one.
Yeah, it's good. It's for protection.
Ta-da!
Super nice.
I can also use it like this.
Super nice. It's like a fashion accessory. And now it's really protected, right? Okay, super. This was very nice unboxing for
And then
your...
when you open it, this, you see Stanley.
Oh, super nice.
This is the Stanley stuff. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.